Hello everyone, welcome back to Country Handyman. I am back again for part 2 of my Coleman Camp Stove. I got some new parts for it. This plunger, had to get the money for that, but got it now. I'm going to keep on doing YouTube. It's like I said before, it's just become a hobby and I'm just trying to find time for my hobbies. We're going to put it back together today and hopefully light it for you guys. Get some gas in her, pump her up, and hopefully she'll run. Hopefully the paint and the gas I put in it and the part is worth it. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is changing out this plunger. Mine is bad on this one. It's even sealed all the way up. So I just got to take this out, which looks like I need my pliers. Throw that away. Ew! Oh, that wasn't very good. Ew! It's all full of oil. Anyway. Okay, it seems good and oiled for my next part. My Coleman part straight from Amazon. If I can get my Amazon affiliate stuff all figured out, then it will be linked down below where you guys can get these parts if you ever find a stove like this and want to repair it. Full 20 bucks. Okay, so mine, I threw it away, but it has the metal top instead of the plastic top. So it doesn't really work. Oh, hold on, I gotta try and shove that in there. Anyway, so let's start replacing that. Okay, now here's everything it comes with. It comes with the silver cap and the clip to hold it onto here, a spring, two extra clips, and on the old one, the spring went here, and then the metal piece went right there. So we just got to take off this and replace it. So I need to carefully take it off. Nope, I'm going to probably break it. Oh man. In the instructions they say to just take this off with pliers, so I'm trying to take it off with pliers, Coleman. And there fell everything. It's all cleaned up. So now I'm going to take off my plastic piece, put on my silver cap, and then I'm going to put on my spring. And then I'm guessing that Coleman went a little cheap and replaced this plastic part with rubber. So here's my plastic piece. Thanks for going cheap, Coleman. There's my rubber piece. And my new little snap ring. Not snap ring, but snap-on clasp washer. Somebody leave a comment if you know exactly what these are called. It probably says in the instructions, but I just like images. There we go, snapped into place. Okay. Goodbye from Harbor Freight or these oil pumps. A lot of people don't like Harbor Freight, but if you know what's junk and what's not junk, you can get some good deals, in my opinion. What? So I'm just putting some some oil from my oil pump into the pump cup, since I'm dealing with both pumps, and that's gonna hopefully help it slide into here a little bit. Maybe I can add a little bit of oil, cold oil. Let's try this again, little pump. Ooh, that almost just went. No, it didn't. I'm just high or something. That hopefully will help because it's slipping around my fingers too. Is that in? Or am I going to damage the bottom? Yep, I'm about to damage the bottom. Oh, there we go. That feels like I am now against something. Maybe unscrew it a little. Maybe not cover the air hole. Should just slip in and out, but that looks correct. Maybe I'm just trying to push oil from the other one through the air slot right now. Anyway, that's somewhat in. So I'm going to put my new clip on. That's tighter than the other one. Go. Ooh, that felt right. Nope, it did not. No, it doesn't. Okay. It's gonna take some work, and it hasn't had this much compression in a while. Oh yeah, I'm pushing something I shouldn't be into here. I can hear it in there. Probably all the oil I shoved in it from trying to revive this one. Which that is a swollen little rubber guy. Compared to that other one, but I was also heard something that they use leather, even though I'm pretty sure this one's rubber, but I guess they make leather ones for these. Comment from, I believe it was 09 James, told me that. So maybe this one's just older leather and bigger, but that looks like I swelled it up with oil, but it didn't make a seal. Okay, okay, that's still closed there, so yeah, I want to keep it open. Oh yeah, that works great. So how you do this is you put your finger over it and pump the air into it. So let's get some gas in her and fire it up, everyone. Ah, gotta build it first. Okay. More old. Okay, this just looks right. Let's continue with this. Beautiful. So while I'm doing this, these Bauer tools, I have a 1.5 amp hour battery on it, but according to some resources, I found out that they're coming out with 5 amp hour and 8 amp hour batteries. I'm super excited about that on my grinder. When I get one of those 8 amp hour batteries, I'll be doing an update video on that grinder. Oh, and plus 70 more Bauer tools. They're not bad tools. Not in my opinion. Sweet. sure it's all back together. Now let's get some gas in her and pump her up after I have a funnel. Excuse me. Oh. Sorry, California. That's a decent amount. Okay. And it's bent. Whoa, it's working. Okay, 1 second. Ooh, and why are we leaking gas out of there? Looks like I need to get some more rings and fix that. Well, let's just see it light. How about that?
What? Ooh. Hey, that's getting closer. Scoot back.
Whoa.
Ooh. That's.
Whoa, hey-o.
That's easy. That's easy.
I'm gonna have a fireball if I don't stop that. Okay, we're gonna replace this really quick. Right here, and then we're gonna retry that. That's the motor, so hopefully I can fix this. There comes all of my air, I guess. Guessing here. Yep, that's a good compression of air. Cold, cold air. Whoa, I've never opened one of these up. Whoa. Whoa. It's a little needle. Okay, so there is my bad seal, I believe. Right in there it should be. Okay, so now I'm removing a screw out of here to get this handle off to hopefully find the O-ring that is bad. Some say it's not worth it. Some might say it's not, but I find it totally worth it. I've spent probably a total of $30 on it, and these things are like $100. So, penny saved is a penny earned, as they say, or I just say a penny saved is another penny I can spend on tools. Okay everyone, so my audio is actually not very good here. My wife decided to turn on our car to warm up because it's a very cold night. But I did end up actually getting the O-ring on there, and it sealed great, and it produces a nice flame, as hopefully you'll see here in the next clip where I do my end screen. But it really does work good, and it just needs a little fine tuning, and I'm really enjoying it. Okay, just enjoy this little clip where my lips aren't going to match up with my voiceover. But the flame looked a little weird. It didn't look right like with the other stoves I did, but it produced heat, and it was better than what it was before, which was non-working. And some things are bent out of place, so I'll bend them right and run some gas through this and really get it working right, and hopefully I have a good stove. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way through. If you liked it, make sure to click that thumbs up button, and make sure to click subscribe if you liked this video. And if you're not sure, go check out more of my content, and if you like me, click subscribe. Other than that, make sure to stay handy and have a good day.